guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you will be notified every time that I post a new video. So I'm actually going to be doing a try on haul, and this try on haul consists of some swimsuits. Got these off of SHEIN, of course, because like I've mentioned before, I love shopping on SHEIN. SHEIN is one of my favorite stores, websites to shop on. So I got a couple pieces of swimsuits. I got quite a few actually, but I wanted to do a try on haul because it is spring weather, getting warmer. Summer is gonna be coming up soon. I know a lot of people are about to take vacation and looking for cute swimsuits to wear and all of that stuff. All the swimsuits I got are in a size small. I believe all of them is a size small. Probably might be like one swimsuit that might be an extra small, but as far as I can remember, all of these are size smalls. I have not tried any of these on. It's gonna be a first impression for me as well. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is the first swimsuit. It is purple, and obviously as you can see, it is a one-piece swimsuit. And then it has like this little V cut right here. It does have some bits of glitter, sparkle in it. This is the back. And then as you can see, the straps are ruffled. I love the color. It's like a pastel purple lavender color, which is great for the spring or whatever. But yeah, this is the first swimsuit, and this one is a size small, but and then it does have padding right here, but and then also the top, like this slit part right here, it has some type of wire to, I guess, keep it open and stiff. I don't think that I realized that it had any glitter on it when I ordered it. So for this next swimsuit, this is what it's looking like. It is another one piece, and I decided to go with white because I don't have any white swimsuits or anything like that. There is this little accessory right here as far as the design, and then it is like a one strap. Here's another ring right here. As far as the swimsuit, I like the design of it, but as far as like the padding in the chest area, as you can see, like the cups, the padding keeps moving, like it doesn't stay in one spot. I mean, I know I can take these out, so that's probably what I would do, but also this area right here is a little bit loose on me, so I might end up taking it in myself on my sewing machine just to make sure it is a little bit snug. This one is also a small too. So here is the next swimsuit. So as you can see, this one is a two-piece and it is tie-dye, and I really like this one. I mean, it's not really anything too special with this, but I do like the tie-dye colors and everything. This one fits really, really great. I love the way that the bottoms fit, and then the top fits pretty well too. This one has straps that you tie, and then it's also like that at the back too. It's kind of giving me, you know, cotton candy vibes. I don't know. Here's what it's looking like a 360 type of look. Okay, so here is another one, and this one is a one piece also. Like, I really like this one because the designs are like just so different with the crisscross and different strings, and then it is tied right here. This is how the back looks. The reason I'm holding it up though is because if I let this go, it is going to fall. I don't know, maybe I have to like readjust it or something to where it fits, because even with someone that has a bigger chest than me, I don't feel like this is gonna stay up. Or I might have to go in there and like add my own elastic just so that it like cinches in and like stays up. But if I let this go, like it's done with. But I love the colors, and then I love the print. You all know I live for animal print. I love animal print. But yeah, this is the next swimsuit. I really, really like this one, so I'm probably gonna try to find some type of way to make sure this stays up. And it could be, because, I mean, you can adjust the strings too on here, so it could be that the strings, the way that it's tightened or tied up is kind of holding the top down. So I feel like that's another factor, but I really, really like this one, so I'll probably try to figure something out or play with these strings and try to see if I can get it to hold up a little bit better. Okay, so this swimsuit right here is obviously a two-piece. It is animal print, of course, because I do love animal print. And this is just what the top is looking like. You do have the strings that tie right here and right here. This one is a size small, and then here are the bottoms. These bottoms are a little cheeky too, or whatever, but I mean, it's not really much to say about this one either, besides it just being animal print two-piece. It does have the strings on the side right here also. That this one is pretty simple bikini, just, you know, has a cute little animal print. Okay, so here is another swimsuit, and this one fits so perfect. Like, it's not small at all, and it's not big at all. Like, it is like snug, but I can actually move. Now for the back, I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to tie that, so I just kind of left it like it is. But this is the bottoms, and I like how they kind of like sit on your waist a little bit, and it just, I don't know, I like it. The top is a tube top or whatever. The bottoms are cheeky also. So this is what this one is looking like. Obviously, there is a bit of animal print here too. All right, so with this swimsuit, this one is actually the swimsuit that is an extra small. Now, I knew that most of my swimsuits were small, but I was like, I know that there was one swimsuit that was an extra small. I just didn't know, but yeah, it's this one. I believe this is the only one that's an extra small, and it is kind of, it is a little bit rare to come across an extra small swimsuit on SHEIN. This one is not too small or anything like that. It is cute. I really like this one. There's a lot of like designs and stuff going on with this one. As far as the print, you have this cute print that has a mix of animal print, a bit of different colors and flowers and stuff like that. So you have this cream color. I don't know if you can really see, it's not white, this is like a tannish creamish nude color. And then you do have this right here where you can kind of cinch it, and it'll pull these strings right here. We have these strings going this way. You have this open area right here so you can see your stomach, your belly button, all of that. The back is kind of like that too, just kind of open, but you also have these strings and stuff going on. And you know, this is a one piece, as you can see. So yeah, this has to be one of my favorites as far as the design. Like, I love the cutout and everything like that. I really, really like this. So this next two-piece, this is what it is looking like. And I like the colors. Like, I love the fuchsia and the purple and stuff like that. So as you can see, this one ties around the neck too and around the back. And then these are the bottoms. Now, one of my favorite things about this swimsuit is this little design right here, like these ruffles. So I thought that was cute. Add a bit of flair and daintiness to it. So it's not really much to say about this one. This one fits well. I don't really see a problem with this one or anything. It's not loose or anything like that. I feel like this one is just fine. But yeah, this is this two-piece. So this next bikini right here, I like this one because it is cow print. So I was like, oh, this is kind of cute. You know, it has this cow print on it, and I was like, well, why not? This is what this one is looking like. So it is a bit like loose right here, not to the point where it just falls down, but I feel like I would have to do some sort of adjustments to it, or I can just kind of, you know, make a knot right here myself without doing any alterations or anything like that. But I like the way that it looks though. The material is a bit different. It's not just like a solid print, but as you can see, it does have this sort of material. As far as adjusting it, this one doesn't have like the strings that you tie up. You will just have to adjust it with this. So that's what I did there, because it was a little bit loose before I adjusted it. And then I also like that this one sits on my waist as well. So here's this swimsuit. So for this last and final swimsuit, this is what it is looking like. It is a one-piece swimsuit. It is, you know, has these teals and light blues, and I guess this color right here is supposed to be like a bit of gold. When I got this off of SHEIN, I thought it was gonna actually be like actual like gold color or like gold material, but I guess it just gives the look of it. It's actually like a print, but I was thinking it was gonna be like actually like shiny gold material or something like that. But this is this one. As you can see, it has a bit of like V-cut going on. This is the side. I don't really know how I feel about the back of it. It is like a little bit like roomy back here. So I don't know if there's something that I can do about that, but I do like the design and the cut of the swimsuit. I like how, I like where they was going with this or whatever. So I do like the swimsuit. It's just, I don't know what's going on with back here. So I tried to like tighten up the straps or whatever, and it made it look even more weird back there. This one does have padding also. But yeah, this is the last and final swimsuit. And so yeah, that is what this one is looking like. And this one is cheeky also. So yeah, that was all of the swimsuits. As you can see, you did see me try them on, how they fit, what they look like obviously, and all of that good stuff. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is perfect because it is now the springtime. The weather is getting a little bit more warm, and I know a lot of you all are going to be going like on vacation or currently looking for like swimwear and all of that good stuff. So SHEIN is a good website to get really like good affordable swimsuits and all of that stuff. So I love shopping on SHEIN. So I showed y'all all quite a few swimsuits. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed my swimsuit haul. I'm glad that you all tuned into this video, and I will put everything in the description box as far as the links and all of that stuff. So you will see like the prices and all of that stuff. None of these swimsuits were expensive at all. SHEIN is a really inexpensive website, so I will link everything down in the description box. But yeah, that is enough of me rambling. Make sure to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.